How to create professional certificate on Canva app in only 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a professional certificate easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Canva app like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now go down here and click on this plus icon. After that, go to the search bar and search for certificate. After you search, click on the certificates option and wait a few seconds until it take you to this page right here. After you go to this page, now you can see there is many certification templates. Just click on any of them, for example this one, and wait a few seconds. Now you can change the name to any name that should be here. For example, Jacob, I'm gonna write Jacob here, Jacob free, for example, and you can change here, change anything you want just by clicking on it. You can also change this one and this one. And if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.